everyone, Kay from Aeroex Technologies, and today I'm unveiling our new product, the Downdraft table. It's essentially a parts blow-off station, and it comes equipped with our Misfit 1050, which is capable of 1100 CFM. Now, standard across our Misfit product line, it comes with 3 stages of filtration, which ensures that nothing but clean air is coming out. Now, this unit behind me is getting shipped tomorrow, but before that happens, I want to show you guys how it works and what it does. The 1050 here acts as the source of airflow and filtration for the table. If you look below, this channel right here acts as the connecting duct between the Misfit and the parts blow-off station. We have also added in a drain, which makes it super simple to drain any liquids that may accumulate. Now, if we look below the board, you can see that the inlet is spread across the entire surface area. This means that you can be blowing off multiple parts, and the table will be just as effective as if you were blowing off one. To demonstrate this, we'll be blowing off parts right now.